Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make yourself look like a cartoon character using CapCut PC's AI. So if you just hit the AI Stylz button and enable style, you are going to select portrait. Here there are a few options that you can choose from. There's this manga one. There is the game cartoon one. This one's the manga one. This one's the game cartoon one. It does take a few minutes to process. This one's the classic cartoon one. They have the 3D cartoon one as well. Then they have this cartoon one. It is a little bit better if you don't have your mouth open when you smile, when to show your teeth. They have anime one and they have this comic one. And that is pretty much it, really. It is super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.